Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. My name is Shaquita. If you're new, welcome and feel free to subscribe. So I am going in with my Juvia's Place Magic palette, and I'm going to start with these shades. And of course, everything will be listed in the description box below. And these are the shades also that I'm going to use out of my Morphe 39A palette. And never mind the tape on the sides of my eyes, this is going to help create a sharper eye look. Grabbing the shade Kasai with my BH Cosmetics, and it's my Riri number 6 brush. With the same brush, I am grabbing now the shade Nana. Deepening the crease with the shade Zakaya and Koji. Now I'm grabbing two of my brown shades out of the 39A palette. And you want to go with the previous colors to make sure that that brown shade is well blended. Now I will be cutting my crease with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C13, and I will be using my Morphe 225 brush, I believe it is, a concealer brush. Now I am applying the shimmer shade Bora Nude to my lid, which is a champagne gold shade. Then using a nice metallic green shade out of the 39A. Time for liner using my NYX Liquid Matte Liner, and I'm going to create a small wing. And for this look, I am going to set that liner with that black shade out of the Morphe palette. Time for lashes. I got these off of the Wish app, and I'll link that in the description box below also. For the inner corner, I'll be using the shade Nubia. Now time for the face. I'll be using a baby wipe to wipe away any oils to my face. So I'll have a nice, clean, smooth canvas, and priming my face with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Balm. And I love this, as you guys know from the previous video. It creates a nice moisturized look up under my foundation and also protects my skin. It also has hyaluronic acid, which is also healthy for the skin. If you watch Jackie Aina, you know she swears by that. And now using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade F16. And then I'm going to use my Black Radiance Cream Contour palette in the shade Medium to Dark, and I'm using the contour and sculpt shade. And applying the sculpt shade to the inner parts of my face, which is under the eyes, the middle of the forehead, down the bridge of my nose, right there under my nose in the center of my chin. And these are the areas that we are going to highlight. Then we'll apply the contour shade right under the cheek, on the sides of the forehead, on the sides of the nose, and on the sides of the jaw. Now we're going to, after we apply the contour shade, we're going to go ahead on and blend it out using our beauty blender, a damp beauty blender. This is going to help give you a skin-like finish to your makeup, and it's okay if the colors mix in, because then it'll look like your skin but better. And just applying tapping motions to your face. I like to start off with my foundation shade, and then I like to go in with the concealer shade and then blend out my contour shade last. because it lets me know how far up I need to sculpt the face. Okay, I lied. I like to start with the contour shade. And I like to blend out that concealer shade with my finger and then go in with a small detailed brush for the contour. Time to set with my CoverGirl loose powder in the shade Translucent Tawny. And we're going to set the concealed areas. And now we're using a Black Radiance powder contour palette and also the shade medium to dark, and we're going to set the contour shade. And we're going to cut the cheek. This helps to give a slender look, a sculpted look, more dramatic, snatched look. Blending away any additional powders that was left on the face for baking, and this helps to blend the contour powder and that translucent powder together. And we're going to set that nose contour also. Time for blush with my Maybelline Fit Me Berry Blush. Now going to highlight with my Milani Baked Blush. Even though it's blush, to me it makes the perfect highlight. So that's what I like to use it for. In makeup, we have no rules. Now I'm going to line my waterline with my Wet n Wild Color Code Icon brush in the shade Calling Your Buff. And under that, the same colors that I used in my crease, I am going to use on my lower lid. And I like to use that shade liner instead of white because I think it just looks a little better for women of color. And gonna apply those brown shades to just the outer parts of my eye to give me a more cat eye effect. With my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer, I'm going to extend those lower lashes. While that is drying, I'm lining my lips with the Wet n Wild Color Code Liner in Simon Brown now. And then I'm going to go back with that same pencil, Calling Your Buff by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to line the inner parts of my lips, giving it a nice nude ombre lip. Once I do that, I'm going to use my Maybelline Color Sensational lipstick in Truffle Tease. Just rub your lips together will help get the perfect blended look. And because my lips was kind of dry, I went over with a gloss. I forgot the shade of this, but it's from Black Radiance. Now that the eyelash primer is dry, I'm using my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And just melt that powder away with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And this pretty much sums up the video for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I went ahead and added some defined curls to my hair. And just be sure to stay tuned after this clip because I just have a bit of an announcement after that. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi everyone. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Before I end the video, I wanted to announce that I will be doing my 25 days till Christmas series, where every day up until the day of Christmas I will be posting videos on YouTube. So if you aren't already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. I'll be going step by step doing get ready with me's, clothing hauls. I'll be doing detailed videos on eyebrows, eyeshadows, foundation, contouring, highlight, all of those nice fun things. And then on the day of Christmas I'll be filming everything that I got, and you'll be sharing Christmas with me and my family. So I'll be doing a vlog type of thing on Christmas Day. So if you're not already, please make sure you subscribe. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If not, if so, if not, like it anyway. If so, like it, share it with your friends, share it on Facebook. Just trying to get more exposure because I have some great things in store for the year of 2019 and the ending of 2018. So I definitely don't want you guys to miss it. I want you to share it. Everything, help me out, please. And I love you guys so much. And until the next video, bye.